A finished titanium forging is not defined only by its final length and diameter. The starting billet and the deformation route are part of the technical decision. This open-die forging footage shows handling, upsetting, drawing, and repeated passes. It cannot prove alloy, heat identity, temperature history, reduction, properties, or order acceptance. Those facts belong in controlled records. Begin with the starting billet. The supplier needs the material designation, applicable specification and revision, starting product form, verified heat identity, and enough dimensional information to plan the route. A buyer does not normally select the billet by appearance. The forging supplier reviews the finished requirement and determines a workable starting section and sequence. The deformation sequence may include upsetting to increase section, drawing to extend the workpiece, rotation between press strokes, and reheating when the process plan requires it. The exact sequence depends on geometry, equipment, alloy condition, and the approved route. A short video clip can illustrate those operations, but it does not document every pass or temperature. This distinction matters when buyers discuss reduction. A single overall ratio can hide how the material was worked in different directions. If a project requires a particular reduction basis, deformation direction, forging practice, or qualification route, define how it will be calculated and recorded before production. Do not rely on an undefined phrase such as sufficient reduction. The delivered surface condition also changes the quote. A forging may be supplied with scale, descaled, rough machined, or machined closer to the finished envelope. The ordered dimensions must leave enough stock for the agreed cleanup and machining route. Surface removal and machining allowance should be reviewed against the real drawing and manufacturing history. Heat treatment and testing belong to the order scope. State the required delivery condition and any required mechanical tests, ultrasonic examination, surface examination, dimensional checks, or special sampling. The applicable specification may establish a baseline, while the drawing and purchase order add project-specific requirements. Identification must survive the route. Ask how the workpiece is connected to the heat or lot through cutting, heating, forging, intermediate storage, machining, inspection, and packing. The material test report, process records, heat treatment records, and inspection reports answer different questions. None should be replaced by a factory video. A clear RFQ gives the final drawing and revision, material specification and grade, quantity, delivery envelope, machining allowance, delivery condition, inspection scope, acceptance criteria, traceability level, document list, and any witness or hold points. Quote the forging route before the press starts. When the starting material, deformation requirements, delivery condition, and evidence are defined together, technical review becomes faster and later inspection has a clear basis.